the Honorable Minister. But in total, we have 18 best recruits.
Number B, 9371, Constable Amos Galata. Number B, 9371, Constable Amos Galata, was born on 24th November 2000, and he is the firstborn son in the family of 4. He comes from Homeland village, traditional authority Mazingira in Lilongwe district. He has a bachelor's degree in education obtained at University of Nzuzu in 2023. Number B, 9372, Constable Precious Juba. Number B, 9372, Constable Precious Zunga was born on 25 May 2000 and is the firstborn in the family of 3. And he comes from Momdwe village, traditional authority Kayembe in Dowa district. He holds a diploma in agriculture from Mwemba College of Agriculture, which was obtained in 2023. Number 296, Constable Kate Harold. Constable Kate Harold was born on 24th May 1997, and she is the firstborn daughter in the family of 2. She comes from Kamwendo village, traditional authority Kachinamoto in Eza district, and she holds a diploma of nursing and midwifery obtained from Malawi College of Health Sciences, Zomba, in 2018. Number 298, Constable Stephen Chifu. Constable Stephen Chifu was born on June 29, 2001, and she is the firstborn daughter in the family of 3. She comes from Chere village, Chie Marenga, Nchisi district. She is the holder of Malawi School Certificate of Education, which was obtained at Kamenya Girls Secondary School in 2019. Number B, 9375, Constable Tumba G. Hamilton. Number B, 9375, Constable Lumban G. Hampton was born on April 25, 1998, and she is the firstborn daughter in the family of 4. She comes from Kambalanje village, traditional authority Shega in Lilongwe district. She is the holder of Malawi Certificate of Education, which was obtained at Majiga Community Day Secondary School in Gotakota in 2018. Number 299, Constable Monalisa Mbewe. Constable Monalisa Mbewe was born on September 21, 2000, and she is the firstborn daughter in the family of 2. She comes from Kamwendo village, traditional authority Kanda in Mulanje district. She holds a bachelor's degree in nursing and midwifery obtained at Catholic University of Malawi in 2023. Number 377, Constable Philip Samiga. Constable Philip Samiga was born on July 2, 1993, and he is the last born son in the family of 8. He comes from Mangani village, traditional authority Mpama in Chirazuru district. He holds a bachelor's degree in nursing and midwifery from Catholic University, which was obtained in 2021. Number B, 9379, Constable Christopher Jairus. Number B, 9379, Constable Christopher Jairus was born on 4th August 1997, and he is the third-born son in the family of 4. He comes from Magonetsa village, traditional authority Kasumbu in Deza district. He has a diploma in environmental management obtained at Lilongwe University of Agriculture and Natural Resources, Luana, in 2022. Number B, 9381, Constable Tanizo Kamwetu. Constable Tanizo Kamwetu was born on 14th April 1993, and he is the fifth-born son in the family of 6. He comes from Kamenya village, Kamenya Kwaza in Deza district, and he holds a bachelor's degree in applied auditing and information system obtained at Malawi College of Accountancy in 2023. Number B, 9382, Constable Mike Kamba. Number B, 9382, Constable Mike Kamba was born on March 2, 1999, and is a third-born son in the family of four. He comes from Ngaya village, traditional authority Simon in Neno district. He holds a teaching certificate which was obtained at Branda Teachers Training College in 2020. And number 33, Constable B. Kaiser. Finally, number 1601, Constable Tokuzani B. Kayesela was born on December 12, 2000. She is the fourth born daughter in the family of five. He comes from Goma village, traditional authority Zole in Dowa district. He holds a T2 certificate, which was obtained at St. Joseph Teachers Training College in the year 2022.
Thank you very much.